Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am or sir. My name is Marcel Malvelia, 30 years old from Philippines. I am a single mother with two children. I finished my high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to provide the daily needs of my children and give them a better future.
Who will take care of your children?
My mother will take care of my children when I was working abroad.
If you had homesick, what would you do?
If I feel homesick, I will call my family.
Okay. Could you tell me about your working experience?
My work experience here in Philippines was I serve one couple and three children. I also take care of a newborn baby.
Okay. What is your main duty?
My main duty is to keep the house clean, organized, and tidy.
Okay. What if the baby couldn't stop crying?
If the baby couldn't stop crying, I will check his or her body temperature if he got sick or hungry.
Okay. What if the children were naughty and wouldn't listen to you?
If the children was naughty and couldn't listen to me, I will tell their parents.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
I'm not afraid of dogs and cats because I'm a pet lover.
Okay. What kind of food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn Chinese food.
Okay. Do you accept not to have Sunday off and will alternate your day off in weekdays?
Yes,
Do you accept work overtime on your day off but will paid by your employer?
yes,
Do you accept to work with other coworkers?
yes,
Do you accept to have room with other family members or other workers?
yes,
Do you accept to have curfew at 9 p.m. on your day off?
yes,
Do you accept not to use your cell phone during your working hours?
yes.
Okay. Do you have any message you want to send to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I'll do my duties and responsibilities. I'm a kind, loving, hardworking, and trustworthy person. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you.